Hi guys, so we have news on the cap round of IITs actually. So this is for IIT Delhi, Dhanbad, Madras and IIT Roorkee. You can actually see this screenshot which I have in here. I will be uploading the link in the description itself. So what's happening? So there are changes for the cap round 2020. You can see here the selection process for MBA admission 2020. Now, a little sad news, but then what's happening here is that IITs are not now considering the VAT and PF for their final selection as far as the MBA admission is concerned. So this is what they are saying here. They are saying that VAT PF scores will not be taken into account for the MBA admission this year by the participating IITs under common admission process. So this is number one. And they're also saying that whatever VAT and PI selection process, whichever was scheduled, right? At Roorkee, Mumbai, and Kolkata. Now all the scheduled interview processes are now stands cancelled, definitely because of this coronavirus and all that shit, right? Now, also the another important news that we kind of need to take into consideration is that they are saying that the selection process conducted at New Delhi and Chennai have been annulled. It means it considered to be as invalid and considered to be cancelled. So they will not be taking this into consideration at all. So now, for the final merit list to be out, they are not going to take your VAT and PI, whether it has already earlier been done or it's going to be, whether it was supposed to be done in the future. So nothing is going to get considered out here. Now, your entire selection in the IITs will be solely based on CAT score, academic performance, experience of the candidate, and any other inputs compiled from the candidate's application will be used for preparing the final selection list. Again, here in the final selection list, VAT and PI scores will not be considered. So it's going to be purely on your CAT score, your academic performance, your work experience, and any other input that they would love to kind of take into consideration. Now, if you look at this, again, what the another news that they're saying is that once the approval is done from the institute's authorities, the final selection list for MBA admission will be declared in due course by the respective IITs individually. So individual IITs will be declaring the result basis, your CAT score, your academic performance, experience, and any other points that they want to consider. And also they're saying that this will be announced on May 29, 2020. So by the end of this month, you will be clear cut with your IIT admission. So this is the news that we have. You can click on the link given in the description, and you can also see the same sort of image that I have here. So yeah guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much.